So, what is included in a sale? When you are purchasing a home, certain items are typically included as a part of the sale. These items are considered fixtures, which are anything permanently attached to that property. So, common examples include built-in appliances like ovens and dishwashers, light fixtures, ceiling fans, and sometimes window coverings, something like blinds or curtains. And you might assume a refrigerator that looks built in stays within the house, or that the sellers will take their kids' swing set with them. That's where the acronym MARIA can help you identify fixtures. So, M, method of attachment. If you need tools to remove that item, it's probably permanently attached and is considered a fixture. That's why the curtain rods stay with the home, but the curtains, which can be easily slipped off, usually go with the seller. A, adaptability. If an item is adapted to be an integral part of that home, even if it isn't physically attached, it usually stays. So examples would be a garage remote, pool covers, light bulbs, and even a floating floor. R, relationship of the parties. In a dispute over what stays, it comes down to whether the seller installed what appeared to be a permanent fixture. So if a home has shutters, the buyer can argue those were meant to be a forever fixtures and those should stay behind. I, intention. So similar to R, relation, if it seems that the homeowner intended for the object in question to be a permanent part of the property, it stays. So for instance, a desk in a home office specifically built to fit into the alcove, even though it isn't bolted down, it could be deemed as a fixture. A, agreement. When in doubt, refer to the purchase agreement to determine what's included in the sale and what isn't.